Today I am going to teach you how to use GitHub issue backup tool, which is available on github.com dr.dhaval2785 GitHub issue backup. This is the repository. First of all, download it as a zip file. I've already downloaded it, so I won't be doing it again. So this is the repository. This repository has the major files are GitHub issue backup and presentable.php. These are the two files which we are supposed to run in order to get the output. What does this tool do? If you are aware about GitHub issues, all kind of discussions go under this channel. Here you can see here there is some data and there is some discussion about there is some discussion. So if you want to take a local backup of these issues, this tool would be very handy for you. So what does this program do? This command line feature this command fetches issue and comments from your GitHub repository and stores it in a text file for backup. It also displays it in HTML file which looks similar to GitHub environment. So this is how a typical text file looks like, and this is how the output would be looking like. So this is what you should expect from this code. The requirements are pretty simple. It is PHP. You can get it from the links. If you are doing any PHP activity for the first time from command line, it is highly advisable that you go through this video tutorial of PHP for command line. It would give you a good idea about how you should go about setting your PHP. Then git bash. It is advisable, or any other Linux platform. I use git bash. Then you need curl. Git has curl inbuilt, so you won't need a separate curl if you are using git bash. So all you practically need is PHP and git bash, which most of you would be having. I've put a demonstration video here, and this is how a typical user should go about it. These are the user instructions. Let us go step by step. Open your command line with curl installed. I can use either command prompt or git bash. Both can do the same thing. So let us go with, as git bash is less known, I'll go with Windows. I'll go with Windows command prompt. The first instruction is cd to the directory where you have placed GitHub issue backup sh file. So mine is here. So I have cd'd to the place where I want. Then in the command line write GitHub issue backup.sh first. So I'll write GitHub issue backup.sh. Don't press enter. Then second is username. Let's say we want to take a backup of this repository. Then this is your username, drdhaval2785. The next is repo name. Repo name is this one. So So in our case it is github issue backup. Then issue number to which you want to fetch the data. I'll check how many issues are there. I'll click on issues. So there are 20. Let me see if there is any clues. No. So the highest number is 20. So if I want to fetch the whole repository issues, I'll write 20. I can write 2, then it will fetch only 2 issues. So this is how it looks: github issue backup.sh drdhavl2785. Substitute your username here or your organization name here. This is the place where you have the repo name, and this is the issue number to which we want to fetch the data. Then press enter to execute the command. Let us press enter. So you can see started issue number 2, printing issue number 2, completed issue number 2, 3, issue number 4. So this is the output. Now let us go to C. There was no folder named drdhavl2785. So this is my username, this is my repo name, and as you can see, the files are being populated. Text file are also being populated. Simultaneously HTML files are also being populated here. Wait for the command prompt to end, then we'll check the HTML files. So the final echo is completed execution at XYZ time. So this is done. Now you can exit from your command prompt. So I've exited from the command prompt. This was the directory having github issue backup.sh. This has created username / repo name. This has text files / HTML has HTML files. Now what I can do is I can check the data here. See, I tried with some chat emoticons or emojis. So they are also being displayed well. This is automatic URL linking which GitHub gives. Then 3. These are the block codes. These are the code lines. So this is how inline coding works. So this is in a nutshell. We have made a clone of our GitHub issues, and this is linked to the GitHub issue. If I click here, it would open the GitHub issue, actual GitHub issue. Similarly, this is linked to the user. So this is how you use this tool. I hope this tutorial was useful. Thank you very much.